35 or something. I totally lost count. This is my sister Aurora that I'm interviewing. Okay, Yoda. What's your favorite sound? What's the most annoying sound? What did you get for Easter? When does it rain? Why do you have an umbrella? How old are you? What's your dad's name? Okay, one more question. Why do you have an umbrella?
Wait, I have a joke.
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
The interrupting cow.
Okay. The interrupting cow. Okay. Well, we're gonna move on to my other sister, Mykah. Other sister, Mykah. Well, this is my other sister, Mykah. That's Aurora. Sorry. Mykah!
What? Oh, hello. I'm a unicorn.
Why is the unicorn peeing out of its head? You're weird. Why are you poking me?
I'm not.
Unicorn! At least pee out of your
Horn. No horn.
You scared the dog away.
What horn? What are you talking about?
Okay. What's your favorite sound? What's the most annoying sound? What's your favorite color? What's your shirt say? How old are you? What's your best friend's name? Seriously, that's your best friend's name. Now we're going to move on to me.
Not me, the umbrella. I know.
Hi!
I'm Jeadyn. I was the one. Ow! Who was filming that? You might want to go get that. Okay. Okay. Back up a little. That's fine.
Ask questions!
Hi,
Hi.
this is my favorite sister.
Thanks.
No, not really.
Okay. Hey, Dale.
Stop an airplane!
Why am I screaming at the airplane?
Okay, yeah. Questions.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite boy?
My friend Colby.
What's your favorite sister?
A sister that I once hoped to have.
I'll spit on you. No, I won't. So,
I'm not doing anything. Mykah, more questions?
what's your favorite kind of chicken?
I don't like chicken
Why not?
that much. Well, I only like some kinds of chickens because it's like dirty and stringy. Next question.
Chicken.
That's not a question. Next question.
Do you like Aurora?
Yeah. Next question.
I'm trying to
Next question.
Chicken.
That's still not a question.
Chicken. What are
Well,
you?
ask me a question. Chicken.
She takes after me.
Okay, come on.
Cool dude.
What's your favorite kind of pizza? Pizza.
Alright, we're done.
Okay.